Good morning. My name is Manish Kumar Singhal, Associate Professor in TIT Engineering College, Department of AIML. I am taught Natural Language Processing, and today's my topic is word label analysis. So let's start the topic. Word label analysis in NLP is a foundational phase of text processing that involves breaking down text into individual units, words or parts of words, and analyzing their structure, form, and basic properties to prepare the data for higher level tasks like syntax and semantic analysis. The core techniques are tokenization, morphological analysis or parsing, stemming, lemmatization, stop word removal, parts of speech tagging, text normalization. In tokenization, the initial step of splitting a continuous string of text into smaller, meaningful units called tokens, which are typically words or punctuation marks. This is the first step in most NLP pipelines. Morphological analysis or parsing. This involves breaking down words into their constituent morphemes, the smallest meaning bearing units, to understand their internal structure and meaning. For example, the word unlikely can be broken into morphemes un, like, and ly. Stemming, a heuristic process that chops off the ends of words to reduce them to a common base form or stem. The resulting them stem may not be a real, meaningful word, implies running, runs become a run. Lemmatization, a more sophisticated process that uses a vocabulary and morphological analysis to return the base or dictionary form of a word known as the lemma. The result is always a real word and consider the context. Better becomes good. Stop word removal. The optional process of removing common words like the, a, is, and that often carry little semantic value and may not contribute significantly to the overall meaning for certain applications like information retrieval. Parts of speech or pause trend tagging. The process of assigning a grammatical category, likewise, noun, verb, adjectives, adverbs to each word in a sentence. This helps in understanding the role of words in the sentence structure. Text normalization, a broader process that includes standardizing text format through steps like case conversion. It implies converting all text to lowercase, removing punctuation, and correcting spelling errors. These are some applications. Word label analysis is a crucial pre-processing steps for a wide range of NLP applications that includes machine translations, sentiment analysis, information retrieval, likewise search engines, speech recognition, it is also called ASR, chatbots, and conversational AI. These techniques help machines effectively interpret, analyze, and generate human language by ensuring the input data is clean, structured, and consistent. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.